What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and I just want to start the video with my long position in Bitcoin, and this is going to be closed very soon. This is just my micro trade, and it's gonna be closed soon. My TP is gonna be around 42,599, and the reason I'm gonna show you why. So you guys see this yellow line? Let me show with this arrow. You guys see this yellow line, right? This could actually be as good support as we can see the continuation of it. Oops, continuation of it is gonna be right here, this yellow line, right? So as you guys, as soon as I saw that, we saw this support and Bitcoin started going back up again. And as I said, this could be a really good area for support, which are on this area. And the lowest point would have been this one, this green one, right? And we saw that he stopped and stopped going down. As soon as I saw that he stopped around above this yellow line, right? I got into long position, which you guys can actually see that I am right now in $45 a profit. I'm gonna go actually a little bit in the 1 hour, but I'm gonna close it very soon because of this red line. Let me actually zoom out so you can see why this red line could act as a resistance, because I actually made this yellow line for the closed candles. Okay, a little bit higher. Sorry, I'm doing this with my phone. It's going to be a little difficult for me. So this yellow line, I actually made this on exactly top of the closed candles, not the shadows. But this purple one, okay, or pink one, I would say, this pink one is actually on top of the shadow ones, which is around here and here, right? So it's still closed candles, and shadows could react differently for the price, okay? So now I'm gonna go to 1 hour, and as you guys see, as I said, this could act as a resistance, and I'm sorry. All right, this part, oh my god, bear with me, sorry. Okay, we could see this part as a resistance. So as soon as I see that price is not really going any higher and it's gonna probably go back down, I'm gonna close this position. Okay, I am supposed to actually set up my stop loss before price going back down, but so far I'm up, and I really wanted to let you guys know, if you guys are doing any type of futures trading, which I do not recommend, it's a very risky thing to do. But if you guys do, always remember to set up your stop losses, okay? So I'm gonna close this position very soon, and I want to really point out something. Somebody actually requested to talk more about the time of the crash that I'm thinking that is gonna probably happen soon. Okay, we're gonna go back down to. Actually, let me just go back. Sorry. Okay, let's go back and review this and before that. I mean, that previous halving, right? The price started getting very weak around this area, right? And we started seeing that crash starting from there, right? And so as soon as we saw this weakness here, okay, we should have got out of the market. And the timing wise, it was almost close to the February, start of the February, almost end of January. So that's why I actually answered to reply to that comment, and I said there is a high chance of actually finishing this year all green. So although we're going to probably have pullbacks, I mean retests to lower prices, we're going to probably go back down and be around this 40s areas, okay? But I think for next year, couple months before halving, we could see a crash, and it could happen in several days, in couple of weeks, as you guys see that this happened before. All right, so this is what I want to really warn you guys, that timing wise, there could be still delays, but it can still happen. All right, and I wanna actually make a Discord channel, and also Twitter, and I'm gonna share them with you once I make them. I'm gonna really have to work on them. I'm gonna create account and set up everything. And once it's done, I'm gonna let you guys know if you want to follow those. But I have linked my Instagram and Telegram, private Telegram, which you can only join with the link that I put on the profile and on the on YouTube. So you, if you want, go ahead and join there. Sometimes I just put about price actions between my videos whenever I have time. I'm a very busy person, so I really try my hard to be more active on media, but I hope I'm gonna have more time later. So far we see that Bitcoin is looking bullish for, and as I mentioned before, weekends are usually a bullish, I mean, the bullish weekends, I mean, bullish days for Bitcoin. For some reason, a lot of big investors get out of market and they come back on Monday. So a lot of crashes. That's why we see that happens on Monday. All right. So far, I'm trying to take the advantage of this weekend. It doesn't mean it's going to be always green, but I am expecting Bitcoin to short term to meet this area again. This is, still see some supply here because there wasn't any pullback. So whenever you do not see any pullback around this area before it crashes, that means there's a high chance of price going back. Same as here that I said in my shorts, actually, that I posted earlier today around this area. Let's go to daily. Okay, I want you guys to pay attention around this area. Once we broke above 38 $500, okay, you guys see that there wasn't any pullback. That being said, that means there's a high chance of still going back and forth around this area, go up and down, and then oops, that went too crazy. But we can still go up and down and then finally meet this area. So I'm saying there's a lot of there's a high chance of meeting 39,000 soon, but when exactly we don't know. All right, for the person who asked in comment when I think Bitcoin is gonna probably crash, I'm still thinking around January, February. Okay, it's not 100%. None of these that I'm saying are financial advice, so do not set up your trades based on what I'm saying. Also, I'm expecting crash to be close around this area. Whenever you guys see that, there is a candle closes. Okay, I'm explaining about this part. A closed candle and green is trying to go back up and meet where this candle was actually closed, this green one. So there is a chance of price actually going up to that level. Then if it wants to go back down, we're going to probably see that price going down. Okay, so there is still a chance, and if it still finds support, we might see price going back up again. So it can actually act like this. Okay, or go try to push above and then go back down. This could still happen too. But so far we see prices trying to push up, but eventually, in my opinion, we're gonna see this level soon. All right, which will be almost 38, 39K. So this is another update for you guys. I was gonna make a video about Bunk, but I'll probably make it tomorrow. So please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Ask your questions. I will come back with answers. And take care. I will see you next time. Thank you.